Good evening, sir. My name is Daisy Colanag from BSHM 3rd Year Block 2. Culture is a complex and multi-phase concept that encompasses the shared beliefs, values, behaviors, and artifacts of the group of people. It's a powerful force that shapes our lives and influences us how we interact with the world. Here are some key features of culture. First, culture is not something we are born with. It is learned through interactions with others and through our experiences in society. We learn cultural norms, values, beliefs, and behaviors from our families and communities. Culture is a social phenomenon, meaning it exists and it is shared among members of the society. It provides a framework for social interactions and help us understand and navigate our relationship with others. Culture provides a sense of belonging and identity. Third, culture is shared by members of a group. This means that people within a culture have a common understanding of values, beliefs, and behaviors. Shared cultural elements helps to create a sense of unity and cohesion within a group. Next, culture is transmitted from one generation to the next. This transmission can occur through various means, including language, education, rituals, and social interactions. It's how cultural knowledge and practices are preserved and passed on. Next, culture is continuous and constantly evolving. It's not static, so it adapts to changing circumstances. It incorporates new ideas and responds to the needs of its members. And then next, culture is accumulative, meaning it's built upon itself over time. Each generation inherits the cultural knowledge, adding to them and modifying them as needed. This process of accumulation allows cultures to grow and develop. Culture is integrated, meaning its various parts are interconnected and work together as a whole. Different aspects of culture such as language, religion, arts, and social norms are all influence and shape one another. Culture is changing, as I've mentioned, it's constantly adapting to new circumstances and incorporating new ideas. This dynamics is essential for cultural survival and growth. Cultures varies by societies. Different societies of different cultures, shaped by their own unique histories, environments, and new experiences. This diversity is one of the most fascinating aspects of human culture.